Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 550 West Creek Drive in Webster, a spectacular and beautiful dream home on nearly 4.5 private acres in a nature paradise with a creek and bordering Webster Park. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends with this stunning 2-story foyer. Open to the wall of windows great room with a gas fireplace. And open to the cook's kitchen with custom cherry cabinetry, high-end appliances, and granite countertops with a large island overlooking the dining area with access to the covered porch. This first floor primary suite has it all, featuring a spacious bedroom with nature views, 2 walk-in closets, and a spa bathroom. The first floor also features a powder room and laundry. The excitement continues upstairs with 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, one of which is this beautiful suite. This is the ultimate walkout lower level with a grand entertainment-sized great room featuring a custom bar and media viewing area to watch the big game, and a very spacious exercise room or 6-bedroom with a full bath, and access to a beautiful patio and a hot tub too. The quality craftsmanship of this fine home is evident in all the details. This stunning home features not only 1 or 2, 5 garages for all your vehicles and storage needs. This is an entertainer's dream with a stunning covered porch, a spacious deck, and patio overlooking this beautifully landscaped nature paradise. This property features a very special garden area with many different flowers. This special and rare property is a nature paradise with hiking trails to the creek and beyond Webster Park. West Creek Drive is a neighborhood of fine homes, steps away to Webster Park and Lake Ontario. Nearby is the 4 corners of Webster with great restaurants, shops, and parks. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 550 West Creek Drive in Webster. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.